There we go. That's better. I'm like, why is it so dark? Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, it's gonna kind of be like a chill, relaxed video. I'm gonna just be like vlogging and going to IKEA. So I just wanted to take you guys along with me. I need to go to IKEA because for one, I want to get a new like light fixture for over my dining room table, and I seen some on Wayfair that I was really interested in getting, but then I looked on IKEA and they had one that was really inexpensive that had like the same kind of vibe style to it. So I definitely want to go look at that, as well as just look around, because every person who likes home decor and furniture and stuff like that, IKEA is so cool because they have a whole bunch of different stuff that's very inexpensive. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright you guys, so I'm in IKEA and I found these shelves that are only like $3.99, and I was thinking about using them for my laundry room to put some shelving in there. So it just looks like this, and they're only $3.99 for the actual shelf pieces, and then I gotta buy the brackets, but they say they're only 75 cents, so that's a deal. And finally, I got to the lighting section, which had the chandelier that I've been wanting so bad. And look, you guys, this one is only $99 compared to one that I seen at Wayfair that was like double the price and the same look. I'll see if I can insert a picture to show you guys the difference. This one right here off Wayfair was $289. They look almost exactly the same. When I was at IKEA, I also seen this lighting display cabinet, and I thought that was pretty cool as well. Hey guys, so I'm back from IKEA. It's a little bit late, like it's about 10 o'clock right now, and your girl is tired. I got everything that I wanted from IKEA, plus a few extra things that I got for a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna do the haul tomorrow and show you guys everything that I got. So I'm getting ready to make some breakfast, and I thought I'd just show you guys, you know, what I normally make for breakfast. I usually make a couple different things, but this is one of them. All right, so what I do is I just get some pancake mix from out of the pantry. So I just take some regular pancake mix right there, pour it in here, and in this concoction we have pancake mix, cinnamon, nutmeg, brown sugar, and some milk. And you stir it up really good. I just do it by eye. I don't really have like exact measurements. I just do it by eye, mix it all up. I just take some canola oil, I think this is canola oil, spray it, and I make pancake muffins. My oven to 400, and I'm gonna bake it for 10 minutes. I put some butter on them and some syrup, and this is how they look once they come out the oven. I just wanted to do a quick IKEA haul with you guys. So I didn't get that much, but I did find a couple of cool things that I wanted to share with you guys. The first thing I want to show you guys is this beautiful black gold in white painting. I believe this was like $19.99, and I just thought it went perfectly with the color scheme that I already have in my living room. I already have like black, gold, and white. I want to tie more gold into the room, so that's why I figured this would be like a good piece to add in. Then the next thing that I got were 3 of these shelves. These shelves were only like $3 a piece, and they hook onto the wall with these brackets, I guess they would be called. So they sit on the wall like this, and basically I got 3 of these shelves for my laundry room, so that way I can you know, put like my dish detergent, I mean not dish detergent, my laundry detergent and my softener and all that on top of here. Also just got this plain trash can. This was like $1, and I just needed another trash can. I'm not gonna take it out the box yet, but I got the lighting. I got the chandelier that I originally went for, and when I seen it in person, I was like, this is exactly what I pictured. Like, it looked so nice. It looked bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. I was really hoping it wasn't gonna be like this small little cheap looking chandelier. We'll see how easy this is to install. I really hope it doesn't like take too long. It's not too complicated. I think we have everything that we need, so should be fairly easy. All right, you guys, so this is how it looks outside of the box. I guess I really didn't pay attention too much. I didn't notice that this was actually just like a rope that hangs down. Guess that's another reason why it's kind of cheap. But I feel like the rope adds to the industrial type of look. So, but this is how it looks. Super excited to see how it turns out. My husband and I have to take this one down, and this plate goes up on there. These right here, I'm gonna cut costs by taking this portion of it and taking it to Home Depot and seeing if I can just find a cover like for the light, more of an industrial looking one, so that way it matches the vibe and I don't have to replace this whole thing. But anyway, it's brown, so if you can really tell the difference, I'm just gonna paint that black so that way it matches. I'm pretty sure this is common sense, but anytime that you're changing out a lighting fixture, you have to turn off the power from the breaker box. So that's what I'm doing now, so we don't get electrocuted. Basically, we had to go to Home Depot because remember I told you I wanted to switch out the pendant lighting over the countertops. I just got this right here. I thought this would be more like industrial, modern look to it compared to this one right here. It looks kind of old. Yeah, I'm happy with what I found. Hopefully it fits and it works out. Today is a new day. My hair's looking a little crazy. It don't look that bad. I just took out my passion twist that I had in at the beginning of this video. Yesterday, as you could see from the clips, my husband helped me put up this IKEA chandelier, and it was a hassle. Like, it ended up taking 3 people. So it was me, Steven, and my Aunt Kathy. So it took all of us to put this chandelier up. It's hard to explain unless you're putting it up, but the pieces that came with it didn't exactly, the screw, it didn't fit properly. Like, I can't even explain it. So we ended up having to get longer screws, and we had to go to Home Depot to get more wire nuts. I think that's what they're called. So while I was there, I think I showed you in the previous clip, I was able to get some more Pendent light covers to change out the ones over my island, so that way I didn't have to spend money on replacing those as well. I went on Amazon and I got these light bulbs right here. They're the Edison LED light bulbs. And just be mindful, if you end up getting this chandelier from IKEA, they can only fit up to 40 watts per light bulb. I had accidentally ordered 60 watts before this, but thankfully I was able to cancel it before they shipped it out. Here's how the light bulbs look when the lights are off. It just gives that industrial feel that I was looking for. And here's how it looks when the light is on. It's like a daylight white because I figured it would be better for filming. And then I just put some decor on the wall as well as on the table just to kind of tie everything together, and I really like how it's looking so far. I'm not done by any means, but I just feel like it looks much better than it did. And then lastly, I forgot to show you, this is how the covers look that I changed out. They're not my favorite, but I feel like they also look better than they did at first. Good morning, y'all. I'm so sorry that this vlog is freaking everywhere. Like, this has been over a course of a couple days. I just need to get better at vlogging. I'm not really used to it, like picking up the camera and like showing points of my life. But this morning, we're taking Miss Nala. I think this is her first appearance on the YouTube channel. This is my dog Nala. Nala, hi baby. She's going to the vet to get she already has all her vaccination shots, and now she's just going to get her second dose of the Lyme disease shot to help prevent it. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the vet, and you guys can ride along with us. Alright, you guys, so I just got to, let me turn this off for a second. I just got to the vet, and it's like a 30-minute drive, but they're so freaking cheap. Like, certain vets nowadays can be like so expensive, and this one is like it's really inexpensive, and they're not trying to get over on you. You just go in and check them in, and then you wait in the car until it's your turn. Nala, you did such a good job. Did you go and get your medicine? Did you get your shots? You're such a good girl. Give me a kiss. Nana, give me a kiss. I love you. You did such a good job.